Thalia Umbra. The sky was Thalia's canvas, and each dawn, she painted it anew. Not with brush and pigment, but with currents of energy, subtle shifts in the atmospheric pressure, whispers of light. From her eyrie, a spire of polished obsidian that pierced the cloud layer, she'd begin her day. It wasn't work, not exactly. It was tuning. Ensuring the harmonies of the sky remained balanced. A gentle adjustment here, a bolstering of a fading aurora there. This morning, the usual sapphire and rose hues felt muted. A dissonance she couldn't quite place. The disruption arrived not as a roar, but as a silence. The winds, always a constant companion, fell still. The very air seemed to hold its breath. Then, a tear appeared in the sky, a ragged wound against the ethereal blue. It wasn't the storm, nor any natural phenomenon Thalia had ever witnessed. It pulsed with a darkness that felt intentional. A cold dread, alien and absolute, settled upon her. The harmonious hum of the sky faltered, cracking like thin ice. Thalia attempted to restore order, to weave the fractured energies back into a cohesive whole. She channeled her power, summoning the currents, the auroras, the very essence of the sky to mend the tear. But it resisted her efforts, stubbornly refusing to close. Each attempt met with a backlash, a draining of her own vitality. She retreated to her eyrie, seeking solace in the familiar rhythms of her sanctuary, hoping it was merely a temporary imbalance, a cosmic hiccup. But the tear widened, and with it, the disturbances intensified. Strange shadows danced across the land below, twisting familiar landscapes into grotesque parodies. The wind, when it returned, carried a chilling whisper that spoke of forgotten gods and shattered realms. Her power, normally a boundless wellspring, felt constricted. The obsidian spire itself began to tremble, as if rejecting her presence, amplifying the growing disharmony. It was becoming clear, this was no natural occurrence. Something, or someone, was actively unraveling the sky. He appeared as a flicker in the periphery, a shimmer of light coalescing into a humanoid form. His name was Cassian, a wanderer, one who traversed the boundaries between worlds. He didn't possess power in the same way Thalia did, but he possessed knowledge, ancient lore gleaned from countless journeys. He spoke of a being known as the Void Weaver, a creature who fed on the energies of creation, leaving only emptiness in its wake. "You control the sky, Thalia Umbra," he said, his voice like the rustling of ancient scrolls. "But you cannot fight this alone. The Weaver thrives on isolation." They journeyed towards the heart of the tear, a vortex of swirling darkness that pulsed with malevolent energy. Thalia channeled her power, creating a shield of shimmering light to protect them from the encroaching void. Cassian, meanwhile, deciphered the Weaver's patterns, identifying its weaknesses, a reliance on discord, a vulnerability to harmonious energy. The Weaver attacked, manifesting as swirling shadows that sought to overwhelm Thalia's shield, whispering promises of oblivion. It was a battle of creation against annihilation, light against darkness, harmony against chaos. Cassian discovered that the Weaver's power stemmed from fractured echoes of forgotten songs. Thalia, using her ability to manipulate the sky's energies, amplified a single, resonant tone, a primal chord of creation. The sound reverberated through the tear, disrupting the Weaver's patterns, weakening its hold on reality. The vortex shuddered, its darkness receding, momentarily revealing glimpses of the pristine sky beyond. They had struck a blow, forcing the Weaver to retreat, but it was clear this was only a temporary respite. As the tear began to stabilize, a chilling realization dawned upon them. The weaver hadn't simply retreated, it had fragmented. Smaller shards of its essence had scattered throughout the sky, embedding themselves within the auroras, the clouds, the very fabric of the atmosphere. Each shard was a potential seed of corruption, a dormant threat waiting to bloom. Cassian discovered an ancient prophecy. When the weaver shatters, its fragments will weave a tapestry of despair, unless bound by the song of the celestial heart. Thalia and Cassian embarked on a perilous journey across the sky, hunting down the weaver's fragments. She used her power to locate them, tracing their discordant energies, while Cassian crafted intricate bindings, melodies woven from ancient lore, to contain them. Each fragment proved a unique challenge, manifesting as twisted storms, phantom echoes, and illusions designed to break their resolve. Finally, they reached the core, a pulsating darkness at the heart of the largest fragment. Using their combined power, Thalia's harmonious energy and Cassian's binding melodies, they sealed the core, banishing the weaver's essence back to the void from whence it came. The sky healed, the colors returning to their former glory. Thalia returned to her eyrie, but something had changed. The routine felt different. The harmony wasn't simply something she maintained, it was something she had fought for, protected. The silence of the sky no longer felt peaceful, but pregnant with possibility. The experience had forged a connection with Cassian, a silent understanding born from shared adversity. She knew the void always lurked at the edges of creation, but she was ready. She was no longer just a guardian of the sky, she was its protector, forever vigilant, forever bound to its fate.